Hey guys, welcome to The Only Way is Beastly. This is just a quick update on the bismuth making process. So I've just received another kilo of bismuth and I've been making some more today. So far, these are the biggest ones I've managed to make. As you can see, we've got this beautiful little multi-cubed, multicoloured gem. Then I thought, you know what, I'll have one more go tonight. And then this is the best one I've made so far to date. The different shapes, the colours. It's absolutely stunning. Couldn't be more proud of it. Then of course I've made some other ones that are getting, I'm getting better at it. I'm obviously proudest of these two. Then again, we get ones that have started forming the crust I managed to get out just in time. And the odd bizarre shaped one. Again, the colours really do it for me. Absolutely stunning. So let me know what you think, guys, and let me know if you've had any success or failures, or if you've managed to make even bigger ones. Let me know. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more from The Only Way is Beastly.